Hello, in this video, we will present a case study on the clock pen class. We will develop a reusable clock pen. So this is the clock pen. When you display the clock pen, it's like this here. It's a clock with the hour, minute, and second hands, and with this clock here displayed. So this is the clock pen. The clock pen is a subtype of the pen with the hour, minute, second, and these are the constructors to construct a default clock for the current time. This is to construct a clock with the specified hour, minute, and second. This is to set the current time. This is set the width and set the height of the clock pen. Now, suppose we have this clock pen. We're going to write a test program using it. So this is the test program, display clock pen. So this is the clock pen. So you're going to have a new clock pen. So we'll create the clock pen for the current time. Now we're going to get this string, the hour, minute, and second in this time string. We're going to put the time string in a label. I think we can do this by putting it in a label right here. This is the label here. This is the label. It's using this time string. So this is the border pen. So we're going to have a border pen, new border pen. We're going to put this clock to the center of the border pen and the label at the bottom of the border pen. So this is the scene. We're going to have this new scene, put the pen and give a size, something like this, width and height. So this is the program right here. This is the current time. Now we're going to turn our attention to implement the clock pen class. So please note that the approach to learn this section is, first, we know this clock pen by writing a test program. And now we are ready to turn the attention into implementation. So even though you don't know the implementation, you still can use it. So the implementation right here is this: how do you get this all this time right? So this is the hour and minute and second hand. So here is, you are going to find the location here for this hint is, so this is the X center. So we need to get to this hint is this is the center X, center Y. So you need to go to find the end. So where is the end? This is the X end, Y end. So so this is the so we're going to have this should be end X and Y. So this is end X is center X plus the handless times sine theta. Theta is this is the one right here. This is the theta. This is. So how do we determine the theta? Theta is this. For the hour, for this, so let's look at this is the, so first let's look at the second. For the second, so this is the, that is theta is second times 2 pi divided by 60. See, because this is the 60 seconds. And so you have, this is second right here. So this is the second right here. So that is where you here. So this is what is second here. So that's for the second hand. For the minute hand, so you are going to have this minute plus second divided by 60. So that's for the minute hand. For the hour, is hour plus minute divided by 60, second divided by 60 times 60, and then here is 2 pi divided by 12, because the clock has the 12 hours on the display here. It's 12 hours. Now, when you have this hour here, so this second is so small now, it can be ignored. So you can simplify this. For the hour x is this cent x plus hour hand length times sine, and this is the hour plus minute divided by 60. So this is the clock pan. So we are going to have this is the clock pan. We are going to do this by default. You are going to get set the current. So you're going to get the current time. So this is going to set the current time right here. And this is the constructor with specified hour, minute, and second. So this is all here. This is a set the current time. So you have to this repaint the clock, paint it. So this is how you paint it. Paint the circle and the text, and with all this hands, hour, minute, and second, and put all this into the pin. So right here. And we overwrite set width. So this is when you have this width changes. So you're going to invoke super dot set width and repaint the clock. That is all for this case study on the clock pan class. See you on the next video.